Hi, this is Dylan. Welcome to the Daily Trading Analysis video. Today is a Monday, 11th of May. So we're going to start off with the Euro against the US dollar. This is the 4-day charts. As you can see, the price has been depreciating ever since it almost touches the final adjustment level at the price of 1.1399, or rather 1400, which is the Fibonacci expansion level of 161.8%. Right now over here, we are seeing that a probable head and shoulder is forming, with the head formed already and is about to reach the neckline of a probable head and shoulder. So zooming the smaller time frame, in the 15-minute charts, we have seen that price has made a quick retracement and is currently about to continue to depreciate. This could be a good time to go for a intraday short, all the way to the neckline of a probable head and shoulder at the support level of 1.1074. Alright, if not, we'll just have to wait for price to touch that level and just wait for the second shoulder to form before we go for a swing trade, the shorts, based on the formation itself. Alright, next we have the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. So let's take a look at the 4-minute charts. Price has recently just broke another support level at the price of 0.7422. Signals that the price is may depreciate further as the market is reversing and making a resumption of a falling trend. In the 1-hourly chart, we also see that there's a falling trend channel that's forming, and currently price is being supported at the bottom and rebounding off. With stochastic at oversold, we do see reversal candle with confirmation. So this could be a good chance to go for a long opportunity to the top of the falling trend channel that's formed in the 1-hourly charts. So that could be a intraday long for today. If not, we'll just have to wait for price to retrace all the way to the top again to go for the shorts if you want to go along with the trend. So that's for the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. And next we have the pound against the US dollar. Price was kind of little change, but it fell a little bit since it got registered at the price of 1.5486, previous high back in 29th of April. So right here, it is actually forming a double top, and we are expecting price to continue to fall further. So right now, price is making consolidation. So just look for the short opportunity as the price is about to come to the end of its consolidation. You may want to set a pending sell stop for this trade as well. Alright, and the first level, if you were to go for the shorts, we will be looking at the price of 1.5091. That's where the 200 moving averages may coincide together with, so that could create a support as well. Alright, so that's for the pound against US dollar. Next we have the Aussie against the US dollar. Right here, price, we have seen that price has continued to fall. Highest it has went to is at the price of 0.8069. It starts to form lower highs, signaling that price may continue to fall further. And right now, if you look at the chart pattern itself, it kind of forms a head and shoulder that is kind of slanted, not the ideal one that we want to look for. But then we're expecting price to fall further from here, as we do know that the Reserve Bank of Australia has recently cut interest rate as well and may want to ease monetary policy. So we are pretty bearish on the Aussie. So right now over here in the smaller time frame, look at the 15-minute charts. A very quick retracement has just finished, and we're waiting for a better entry price to go for the shorts. Hopefully price can retrace a little bit further back to the price of 0.7930. Based on the 15-minute charts, this could be a good resistance to go for shorts, and hopefully it starts to break the neckline of the of this probable head and shoulder formation. Alright, first level we are looking at is at the price of 0.7732. If you were to short, and based on the chart pattern itself. Alright, next we have the dollar against the Japanese yen. So price has been appreciating ever since it got rebounded off from the key support level at the price of 118.54. And in the 4-day chart itself, we are also seeing that price might be forming a rising trend channel. We have the first bottom price got resisted twice at the top of the channel, came down, got support at the bottom again, and it starts to rebound off. So expecting price to appreciate further from here within the running trend channel itself. Right, so just want to look at the smaller time frame to see if there's a opportunity to go for the long. Just take note of this trend line itself. If price were to get support, get resisted at this trend line, it may rather want to go for intraday shorts. It may go all the way back to the bottom of the rising trend channel, and that would then be a better price to go for a long. Alright, of course, if we go for the long itself, the key level that we'll be looking at in terms of the resistance is at the price of 120.66. And if you appreciates along the running trend channel all the way to the top, the next key resistance level would be at the price of 121.89. So that's for the dollar against the Japanese yen. And last but not least, we have the dollar against the Swiss franc. And price has appreciated ever since it rebounded off from the final exhaustion level at the support level of 0.9075, Cuban expansion level of 161.8%. There is a slender inverse head and shoulder that's forming right here, and price is currently at the neckline, or rather at the falling trend line itself, and price may begin to depreciate a little bit right here. So just waiting for price to make little retracement. There is also a possibility that price may just break above this falling trend line and get registered at the price of 0.9412, which will form a more ideal inverse head and shoulder. So probably right now you might just want to sit out of this and observe what happens next. If price were to retrace and get supported at the price of 0.9290, that would be a good price to go for a long opportunity. So that's pretty much for the dollar against the Swiss franc. And just would like to touch on other two currency pairs. We have the dollar against the Canadian dollar. Based on the daily chart, as I have been mentioning, is that price is being supported at the 200 moving average twice, and with a pretty strong pullback, and we are seeing that price has just finished a retracement based on the forward charts. So looking at the 1 hourly charts, we might want to plot a trend line right here, and to see if we can get a chance to go for a long opportunity as price gets supported at the trend line. And based on the 4 hourly chart again, if price would appreciate, then the first level we shall take note of is at the price of 1.2185, followed by the 200 moving average. Right, pretty good profit of 60 to 70 pips for the first level. To the 200 moving average will be about 120 pips. So that is for the dollar against the Canadian dollar. So just look for a long opportunity. And lastly, we have the Aussie against the Japanese yen. As mentioned many times, in the weekly charts, there's a rising trend channel, and price has already rebounded off from the bottom of the channel, forming a double bottom, and therefore we are expecting price to appreciate much further from here. Right, so looking at the daily chart itself, I've plotted through two rising trend line over here, which is the boundary where price is consolidating while slowly appreciating, and we are expecting price to break above this formation very soon. So right now in the 4-day chart, price is coming out a little bit, hopefully to wait for price to retrace all the way to the bottom of this channel itself. Somewhere close to the price of 93.80 would be a good price to go for a long again. Alright, so that's for the Aussie against Japanese yen, and with that I've come to the end of today's trading analysis video. So thank you for watching, and good luck for the rest of the day.